welcome back to my channel. And today I am in Jayanagar 4th block, I think so. And as usual, the voice didn't come proper because of the vehicles, and I thought to give background voice as usual. And now we are here in a jewelry shop with myself. Okay, I was kidding. This is me again, and let's go. So many earrings. I hate wearing big earrings, but I love to see them. They're so beautiful. I love small earrings. I hate big earrings because they're so difficult. Some bangles. Oh, I was searching for these small earrings only. Yeah. I love this. This looks like diamonds. Wow. I like these kinds of. I hate this. This eye thingy you're seeing, right? I hate that. Oh, this one I love because they're gold and silver. These are some fat neck pieces which I hate. He. I hate jewelry only. Then some more neck pieces. Earrings. So many earrings. And some bangles. What are those? There's some fat neck pieces with rings down. Fat rings. Yeah, I'm here. I hate fat rings, guys. I like the thin ones, but I hate jewelries. Okay, some fat one neck pieces. As I said you, some more neck pieces. Some more earrings. How many earrings are there? The shop is filled with earrings. They should get the earring award. So many earrings. Okay, some thin neck pieces, which are just like home wala. I hate those fat neck pieces, guys. Bleh. What about you? Comment below. Guess where am I? And it's difficult because I'm shaking the camera, but I found myself. Okay, who are those people? I don't care. It's time to go, but look at the down beauty. And the rings, bangles, earrings. I'm bored seeing those. Oh yeah, rings. But they are fat rings which I hate. Now it's time to go out. Okay, some more neck pieces. Why am I shaking the camera so much? Fine. So now let's meet you in my next stop, which is forward, and here. Okay, so this is Tiny Mo, which I really love. I love this. Look at those small. I didn't see the inside because I was holding the camera, but it was quite heavy. I don't know what's inside. If you know, just comment below. Skateboards. Ah, stationery, which I am addicted to. New stationaries. Wow, I've never seen that one. Cute cup, soft. How to just open this? I don't care. Look, some pencil colors. A kit actually. These are coloring book, which are black and white. Wait, what? Okay, I don't care. Wow, this is the cutest one. Some stickers were also given. Unicorn stationery, paints, markers, just like Ohuhu markers, which I actually love. And some tiny motingi board. Back to school, it's saying that. Teddy bears, they're so cute. Stuffed toys. I liked her frock. Okay, it's me again. And front, we have some balls. This is the thing I was waiting for. Oh, this is so cute, sleeping in his bed. This is more cute. I want to steal the shop. Wow, best wishes. Okay, shark shaped ones. I've seen those in videos. Okay, let's go forward. These are some tanks, cars, racing cars for boys, and this is girl thingies, which I hate. I hate Barbie. These are some Barbie fridges, Barbie dolls, Barbie thingies, shopping carts, which I love. I like that empty shopping cart to put anything inside. I like to. Actually, these are some toys. Let me pick it up. Bags. Okay, so guys, now there's some more bags. How many bags? Some tools. I like this tiny Mo. Okay, now we have some bottles. Okay, some burger tiffin. Instead of eating my lunch, I'll eat that tiffin box only. Oh wow, soft napkins. Yeah, and these are some erasers which I was waiting for. I love designed erasers. Okay, some kits. I want to buy the shop, yeah. I don't care how. If I just steal things. Oh, I have a monkey like that. Okay, bobby pins. I have a lock like this in blue color. Okay, these are some keychains. I love keychains, guys. If you like, comment below. Have you ever gone to Tinymo? Just comment it below. Everything you should comment it below. Okay, some more stationery, markers, alcoholic markers, erasers. These are design pillows which we can't sleep on, but we can just put it in some place and just see it. Kind of that. Like for design, we can put it in sofas and all. Oh, small bags. This is amazing. I want to run out. Unboxing of this box. I don't want to get out of here. I want to be here. Okay. Some more small canvases. Some thingies which I hate. Okay, erasers again. OMG, this is the best thing. Magnets. Guys, why am I shaking the camera? I only know. I don't know why am I shaking it and running. Keychains again. Okay, the billing counter, and here are some just stuff. I have many beautiful things here, guys. Okay, now it's time to go out. Why am I shaking the camera? I'm so dumb, guys. I'm just shaking the camera. Let's meet you in my next stop, as usual. But let's see some things in the middle. Mangoes. Who likes mangoes? Comment below. Hee hee. Pani puri stall. Who likes pani puris also? Some bags, jewelry. Acha, we are again in a jewelry shop. Actually, we came here for jewelry shopping, and look, guys, this shop is really very small, and I hate this shop. This is kind of really so small. And yeah, it's me here. Earrings, earrings, earrings. Thousands of earrings, guys. I'm bored seeing earrings. Okay, so after earrings, we have this neck piece, which is kind of beautiful. And I like silver jewelry more than gold. Okay, how do you hold this? Okay, whatever. And now these are some neck pieces which I don't like it at all. Okay, so it's drizzling, guys. You can see down, so we don't know what to do. We are going into a random shop, and there also we are going to do jewelry shopping, which I hate. Guys, I forgot to pause the camera in between, so see what happened. My hand got smudged, and I was like, hee hee hee. I forgot that I had to pause the video. Look, guys, look. Okay, fine. Look at these aunties and all. I just by mistake, I just forgot to do those things. Look, guys, I'm holding the camera also like this. Sorry, guys, for this stupid mistake which I did. Bindis. Hey, this shop is filled with bindis, just like that shop with earrings. Okay, nail paints. I like this color. It's cute, but my favorite color is something else. This color is blue, and this color is my favorite color, which I finally found. Okay, guys, comment which is your favorite nail paint. Comment everything. Okay, here are some rugs or mats, which are in different colors. They are good for bathroom use. Oh, these are for like home door mats. I like this. I want to steal. I'll steal the whole everything there. I like the colors there. Some table mats. And guys, finally we are going out of that stupid place. And look. T-shirts, mango, shoes for small babies. Let's go forward. I'm running. Where's my mom? These are some dresses. Miss World Barbie dolls, which I hate. And they're long actually. Okay, again into a jewelry shop, but I like this shop, which I would give 10 out of 10. There were rings, neck pieces, which are so beautiful. But I hate this was the best part. I was playing with those, guys, so many colorful ones. I was like continuously holding them, playing with them, and I liked this shop because of its maintenance and things available there. So finally, I'm seeing here many things which are so beautiful. I'm seeing blue color earrings everywhere. I was just keeping the camera on the glass of those, and I was just shaking my camera. And these are some more. I like the silver neck pieces, but I hate to wear them. Look at the flowers. Actually, I was asking my mom to buy one of these cute small flowers. I want to take the whole like, set because I really love those small flowers, but they're plastic. Instead, I like real plants and flowers in my home, but plastic are like so cute. Actually, it was raining there and very badly. Trees were shaking, so we said like let's stand here because trees fall. And Bangalore, it was the time is this now 6. Sorry, I'm saying 6. Yeah, whatever. Right? Yeah, 6, right? Yeah, 6 something, whatever. And I was so scared, so I think it would be better if I would stop the video here. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.